Hi YouTube, welcome back to a new video of the Golf 2 project. I got some new pieces for the situation on the radiator. I got this new thermo switch to put inside the radiator. I also got this piece of PVC because right now I don't have the connections for the sensors of the temperature. So the car inside, it doesn't tell me how warm it is. So we're gonna be mounting this also. But to do that, we gotta first let off all the coolant that's still inside of the last time. The plastic piece that I bought needs to go here instead of the one that's now on there. And the thermo switch that I have needs to go on this, on the underneath of the radiator. So we're gonna dismount this and put a new one in. But first we're gonna need to let off the coolant by undoing the bottom hose and getting all the water out. So as you can see, I've undone the hose. Now we can move on to the thermo switch to get that out and put the new one inside. This is the old one. I just got it out. And now we're gonna be putting the new one inside. So as you can see, we just put in the new one. I don't have the right key to tighten it, so I try it with this thing over here. But it's tightened, so we can move on to the next thing. We can get the old piece out, so we can put the PVC piece in place of it. So first we gotta undo the hose over here. So we're gonna do that first. We also gotta undo the bottom hose over there. I will first undo the little bracket over there because I can't reach the clamp to undo the clamp, so we're gonna be getting that thing out, the white piece underneath. So as you can see, the hoses are undone. Now we need to get this piece out so we can fit the new piece, this thing that wants to focus, so we can put this one instead of the other one. So we're gonna be doing now. So the old piece is out. Now we're gonna be preparing the surface to put the new piece inside. So we're gonna be doing that now because they used some liquid thing to close it off, as you can see. So as you can see, the new piece is inside. Now we're gonna be reconnecting the hoses back to the new piece. And then I'm gonna put the new sensors inside, or not the new one, but the old ones, to see if they still work. We're also gonna be reconnecting the bottom hose of the radiator. So all the new pieces are fitted inside the car. Now I only need to wait to get 2 clips to fit the sensors inside the new plastic piece, because they didn't come with the plastic piece and I don't have them because it didn't have that part yet, the car, so they're gonna be coming soon, and then I'll see you guys again, and then we're gonna try to restart the car and see if the sensors are working and if the fan turns on. I also got some other new pieces, as you can see. I got the new nut for the hub on the rear. I got plastics that go underneath the seat because the driver's seat isn't clipping in place when you move it, so that's for that. It came with another set, so I'm gonna do the passenger side also, I think. I think this is also for the seats, the 2 plastic things in the back. Then I got some grease to put in the bearings because I didn't put any in. I just needed to put it on because I wanted the car inside, and if it's on 3 wheels it's hard to get it inside, so now it's on, but there's no grease inside, so we're gonna be really doing that. These are 2 plastic clips for the grill because I bought a new grill. I'm gonna show you in a second. Then I also bought this cap to put on the other rear hub because it's missing, so the grease stays inside. Also got a free bottle of WD-40, so that's pretty nice. As you can see, I also bought the new grills for the front. Welcome back, it's another day. I also put yesterday the grill on and the bottom grill. I said I'd make a video of it, but it's only, it just clips in, so it's gonna be a short video otherwise, so that's why I already did it. I'm gonna show you. So, as you can see, the grill is in, that just clips in. The bumper is still loose because I'm missing some pieces to put it on completely. Also, the bottom grill is on because I didn't have the pieces to keep working on the radiator situation, but now I have them, so we're gonna be doing that. So both O-rings are on with a little bit of WD-40, so they slide in better. So as you can see, I made something else to put inside this part of the plastic clip, because the clips I got with it didn't fit, so I just put like a pen in and I bent the outside so it can come out, so it's the same. So now we're gonna find out if everything works and if the sensors are working. Otherwise I need to buy some new sensors inside of the plastic piece. So I'm gonna open up the garage and then we can start the car and let it run for a bit. As you can see, guys, the temperature gauge is moving up, so that's a good sign. But now we need to wait if the fan turns on automatically, and then we're good.